What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Neek, man, and I'm checking in with another video. You can see, man, I'm sitting here getting my grind on. Gotta do some little maintenance and stuff on my Caprice. Trying to correct a couple little overheating issues, man. Thinking I might have a clogged radiator. No cutting on this, but think I might have a clogged radiator, you know what I'm saying? Or I definitely got to change the water pump, man, for sure. It's time, but I guess if I'm gonna do the cooling system, man, I'm gonna go ahead and do everything. I ain't even gonna cut no corners with it. So I got warranties on everything, so shoot, I'm gonna just go ahead and replace it all. But that's my radiator. I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out. About to go ahead and change that. You see my water pump, look like it, you know, look like it might be leaking, so I'm gonna go ahead and you know, change that joint out, and then I'm gonna do the do this coolant delete on here, because on the LT1s the coolant actually runs through the throttle, the, you know what I'm saying, the run through the intake throttle body. So I'm gonna delete that, and I'm gonna go ahead and run it straight to the line. But you know, like I said, the grind don't stop. Gotta put this video in, man. Gotta keep the content coming. So I'll check it with you in a second. All right, y'all, your boy back. I done went ahead and I got it out. Got the whole radiator out. Do my cooling fans over there, you see. Both of the cooling fans, and that's the old radiator. Like I said, don't seem to be significant damage to it, but I don't know. I got one for free. I mean, got one under warranty, so I'm gonna snatch it off. But I went on ahead and took it off. I got it off, so now I'm about to turn around and shit, go ahead and bust that water pump down. So I'll check back with y'all in a minute once I take that joint off. All right, y'all, your boy Motor City Neek is back, man. I just finished up, you know what I'm saying, busting everything down. See that water pump? If I'm focused on it, there you go. Took that water pump and everything out. Radiator is gone. Radiator over there, so got everything done and taken care of, man. Just making the steps easier as far as the preparation and stuff. So I'm about to go ahead and finish this up, and then you know, say this video for tomorrow. But you know what I'm saying, just want to update y'all, boy. The grind don't stop up under that 95 Caprice. So once again, this your boy Motor City Neek. I'll holla at y'all. Peace.